Okay, well here's a better view of how insanely muddy everything is this time of year. What? Yeah. What's going on, YouTubes? Yeah. Welcome to the weekend. Jackwagon on the weekend. Today we're doing honeydews. I know, I got a bunch of stuff going on. Parts all up off the Ford in the garage. Lots to do. But today we're working on pet gates because of the pets. Oh yeah, de-Christmasification is in full swing. Don't pay attention. Just step over it. So when your backyard looks like you've been feeding cows, and it's muddy because it's winter, and these guys, they like to go play, and then they come in the house, and you gotta wash them like 16 times a day. What? Oh my goodness, Coda, wait. It's all stuck on the door. Oh, hey. Oh. Saving the dolphins for 2 minutes. Anyway, I'm trying to put this gate up here, and then there's future plans. Actually, this one was supposed to go there, but turns out it's not big enough. So top ball, pressure mounted, extra tall walk through pet gate, simply wedge against door frame or wall. And look how happy we are once we do that. Anyway. Here's the problem. Look over here. We got the regular gate. And then we have extensions. There's a short extension and a bigger extension. When we put the extension on, doesn't fit. You're in the shot. It doesn't fit in the door. So without the extension, it's got way too much room on either side. So it says it's a 6-inch extension in the owner's manual, but it's actually like 7.5. So I think if I get out the whiz wheeler and cut 1 inch off of the here and 1 inch off of the here, and then just do away with this whole piece, then it'll work. I'll be a hero. I'll have saved the day, and everything's good. So let's do that. Let's get to destructing the brand new gate so that we can install it. Okay, well here's a better view of how insanely muddy everything is this time of year. What? Yeah. Anyway, we got these plastic inserts. Hopefully we can throw some pliers on and yank them out without breaking them. And then 1 inch off of there, 1 inch off of there, and we might as well just, get rid of that whole piece. That's the plan. Get the death wheel and get to it. attached. So I don't know how the right way is to do this. I think I got you on the wrong side. Hang on. Now don't look at the fairy dust. It's not good for you. Can you see that? Try not to get sparkles in your eyes, alright? Safety first. Where's my... I can kind of see through these, so yep, safety. Watch your ears. Maybe just give it a karate chop. Almost. Custom. Flip back to the grinder wheel. I just knew for sure that I had some rattle cans that would match that white. So I went ahead and ground off the old weld there. You know, not perfect. I'm not trying to win a prize at the fair with this. I just want to make sure if my grandson comes up and grabs a hold of it, you know. Oh, I missed a little piece. I'll get that with the file. And then I'm going to get in here where the death wheel left all this burr on the inside. I'm gonna, you know, that's what this is out here for. Just, you know, just a little file. It doesn't take much. All we're doing is knocking down the burr. So, you know, you're like jackwagon. Got all these automotive projects to do. But you're out here working on this silly dog gate. Why don't you just send it back and get a new one? Well, because then I'd have to wait for a new one to come in and all the other reasons. But, you know what they say. Easy wife, easy life. Or something like that anyway. How does that go? Anyway. Basically, we're just cleaning up the burr so that we can throw our plastic insert back in here. Because Apparently we made the conscious choice to live with large animals. Now we've made the conscious choice to bar them from certain parts of the house, because this muddy winter weather, I mean, you just never stop cleaning up the floor and the feet. So, yeah. I don't know where my white paint went. I used to do rebuilds on my old Honda with it. Maybe I used it all. It don't have to be perfect. Just gotta leave that back in there. Get the right tool and ease it a little bit more. Oh, poop. Not good. So see how they go together. They link together with these pins. So make sure the bottom, is lined up. It's not upside down, or on the ground. Ease it in there. Oh, that one almost all the way in. Once again, we grab the proper tool. Look at that. Custom work. What are you doing? What are you doing, Coda? Buck? Titus? What do you think?
Yeah.
Towards this room.
Yeah, I think so.
And let's see if that works. Oh yeah. That's perfect.
Surprise!
Oh, should we have it right on the floor? Easier to clean under, just like
Like an inch up, yeah.
inches up.
Is he doing a very good job?
Alright, so now we just trace circles with a pencil. So to say, this rod is bottoming out over here, so we're going to cut it off a little bit while we got it out. And then with our cups, yeah, we got cups. What cups? You never mentioned cups. Huh? What? We got cups. Or I don't know what you call them. Sockets? Things? These things. We're gonna screw them on the wall. Like the picture. With these screws. But we gotta mark them first. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get those installed. And then, bada boom, we'll be done. I got a problem. I failed to take into account got these little cups that keep it from being able to get knocked off, you know, instead of just the pressure fit. So whenever I chopped off of that end, I should have chopped. I'm gonna take like 1/2 inch off of this end now. Yeah, because that bottom one ain't gonna go either, but a good, you know, 1/2 inch. That'll get me there. Thought I was done. Well, there you have it. Easy peasy. Nothing to it. I mean, if you're willing to do some metal work. Cut a 1/2 inch off of this side. I didn't show you that, but it looked just like it did when I cut 1 inch off of this side. So, top paw. 5-star rating. Hey, I'd like to thank DeWalt Tools and Linux Saw Blades and Top Paw Pet Gates for sponsoring this vid. No, wait. I don't have no sponsors on this video. Do me a favor, click the like and click the subscribe. Do whatever you want with the bell. I mean, just, you know, help a fella out. Have a great, well, whatever you're having, and we'll see you soon.